In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change C drive name in Windows 11. First, press the Windows key and the letter E simultaneously to open File Explorer. This action brings up the File Explorer window, displaying your files and folders in a user-friendly layout. You will see various drives listed on the left side and the main viewing area showing your files. Opening File Explorer is crucial because it gives you access to your drives and files. It's the starting point for navigating your computer. Once you have the window open, you're ready to proceed. Next, click on this PC in the left sidebar. By selecting this PC, you will see all the drives connected to your system, including the local disk C. This is a significant step because it allows you to identify the drive you want to rename. You will notice that each drive is represented with its own icon and storage details. Seeing the drives listed helps you confirm that you are in the right place to make changes. Now, right-click your local disk C cells and select the rename icon, or you can simply press the F2 key on your keyboard. A context menu will appear when you right-click, and you should see the rename option listed there. This action is important because it allows you to initiate the naming process. By using the F2 key, you can skip the mouse and quickly get to renaming, which can save time. Once you've triggered the rename function, your drive's name will become highlighted, indicating that you can type a new name. Type your new desired name and press enter. Here, you can enter any name that you find suitable for your C drive. This is a perfect opportunity to personalize your computer and make it easier for you to identify your drives. Choosing a name that reflects the contents or purpose of the drive can enhance your organization. Once you press enter, the new name will be applied and you will see it change in the File Explorer window. This ensures that your changes are saved and visible moving forward. Finally, click Continue when prompted for administrator permission. If your system requires confirmation, a dialog box will pop up asking for permission to make the change. This step is crucial because it protects your system from unauthorized changes. By granting permission, you ensure that you are making this change as the administrator, which is necessary for modifying system settings. After clicking Continue, you may see a brief loading icon indicating that your request is being processed. And that's it. You have successfully changed the name of your C drive in Windows 11. This small change can greatly improve your workflow and make your system more personal to you. If you follow these steps carefully, you will find the process straightforward and easy to manage. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your newly named drive.